We had 150 participants from many different sectors, from government, from banks, from telcos, debating this year the economics of identity.
The Open Identity Exchange is a bit of a hint of what these companies and these organizations see as the future of identity, where that identity will be exchanged in an open and transparent way. And that's good for making money.
The Open Identity Exchange is an unusual organisation. It's not a trade association. It's a not-for-profit. It's an international organisation. Digital identity doesn't stop at UK boundaries. And we have to work with people in other countries to make sure that what we're doing here in the UK is interoperable with things that are happening overseas.
I'm a shoe repairer who's now getting more and more into photo. So when we started to hear about the digitisation of ID, we started to panic. My strategy has always been to be very, very open, to go and ask hundreds of questions to hundreds of people and to try and work out how we can find a way through it.
I love the user-centric approach. It's very straightforward. I mean, in doing and trying to create the TSA Digital ID, what we're doing is really making sure it's a win-win. It's very simple. So is this good for customers and good for the providers?
2016 is a crucial year for the digital identity because we're moving from the OIX discovery phase into building a real-life prototype, which we can take out to the industry and show the industry how this digital ID is going to work.
More experimentation in the identity space and more, the idea that we will grow an ecosystem is reliant on lots of experimentation. So I think there's more of that to come in 2016.
I think I'd like to see people using an online digital identity and using it for mainstream services.
The intention of OIX members is to be able to use trust as an economic engine so that we can have trusted transactions at a very high volume, a high velocity in a variety of applications.